Understanding Drought Prediction, a guide to weather patterns. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our learning journey where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only linguistically interesting but also critically important in our daily lives and environmental awareness: drought prediction. By understanding this phrase, you'll gain insights into both the language and the science behind predicting weather patterns. Let's get started. Before we delve into the prediction part, it's essential to understand what a drought is. A drought is a prolonged period of insufficient rainfall, leading to a shortage of water. It affects everything from agriculture, water supply, to ecosystems. The key aspect of a drought is its impact on water availability in a region, affecting both natural and human environments. Now, let's break down the word prediction. Prediction refers to the act of forecasting or estimating something that will happen in the future based on current data or observations. In the context of drought, prediction involves using scientific methods and historical data to estimate the likelihood of a drought occurring in a certain area within a given time frame. Drought prediction is a complex process that involves several steps and utilizes various data sources, including meteorological data. This includes rainfall patterns, temperature, and humidity levels. Satellite imagery, to observe changes in vegetation and water bodies. Historical weather patterns. Understanding past drought events helps in predicting future occurrences. Scientists use models and algorithms to analyze these data, which help in making informed predictions about potential drought conditions. The goal is to provide early warnings to prepare and mitigate the effects of drought. Predicting droughts is crucial for several reasons. Agriculture. Farmers can plan their cropping patterns and irrigation needs more efficiently. Water management allows for better planning and conservation of water resources. Environmental protection helps in protecting ecosystems and biodiversity from the severe impacts of drought. Understanding the meaning and importance of drought prediction is not just about expanding our English vocabulary but also about gaining knowledge that can have a real impact on our world. Whether it's planning for the future, conserving our natural resources, or helping communities prepare for environmental challenges, the science of predicting drought plays a pivotal role. We hope this video has shed light on this significant topic and enriched your learning experience. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics together.